Well, I just want to find a ways who can help us to save Summer. Well, my mom made the point. Looks like this place isn't that bad. And it's pretty, the beaches is awesome. Okay, don't worry, Arnold. As soon as we can find a way to put a stop to this, to stop the ultimate weapon to destroy Summers by the giant ice balls, I'll just have to think of something. Okay. Okay. Let me think. Think, Arnold. Think. Don't worry, Arnold. You'll find a way. Thank you, Gerald. Now, well, we should do something about it. Maybe we could get some help. Yeah, I guess.